Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair. We'll do the Forex analysis for 29th September to 3rd October 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here I have already opened the chart. First, let's see what happened in Gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, in Gold USD, we can see a positive move on Friday, 0.28% positive move. 3759.74 was the closing on Friday. So currently we'll be talking and sharing some important support and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here in this weekly chart we can see a positive or a bullish candle with a good body and a small or a tiny lower wick with a small medium upper wick. Currently stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. That means we can expect a fall in gold weekly wise. Otherwise, if I talk about this only on indicators or RSI, remember we should not only look for indicators or RSI, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Let's mark some important support and resistance zone. Until then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel, and also I am sharing this kind of videos, that is a weekly analysis video every week. So also click on the bell icon, click on all notification on so that you don't miss any videos that I upload during this period. So currently I have already marked some important support and resistance. As you can see, you can also mark the same on your chart. Currently let's talk about the closing first. So here 3759 is the closing. Here the direct support is 3750 and direct resistance is 3778. After direct support, there is a support of 3720 and then 3701. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3800 and then 3824. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move that is around in this range, that is 3720 to 3750. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you are looking for any positive or bullish trade, then only look for bullish trade. If 3778 gets breached and a one day candle gets close above this, you can go for this higher wick, that is the major resistance currently or the all-time high of gold. You can target this level. Until unless this level doesn't get crossed, we won't be able to see 3800. So once this level gets crossed and a 1 day or a 1 hour or 4 hour candle gets close above this, then we can go for 3800 as well. Currently overall my expectation is negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.